Hey dog, do you know what type of resiliency it takes to be permanently removed from an organization that no longer wants its name attached to your name? The university or the organization or this place that you are working at see fits to permanently remove itself from you or themselves from you. It see fit to disengage from you. Like, do you know what that feels like when somebody tells you they no longer want you? I ain't talking about being rejected. Do you know what it's like to be in the land of opportunity and lose that opportunity from the one place you have been told your entire life? This is the place you need to be so that you can make your life what it needs to be, so that you can become all you want to be. Bro, I was really sitting here thinking about the time I was told by Coastal Carolina University that they no longer wanted to affiliate themselves with me because of the criminal charges that I had. I had simple possession of marijuana, unlawful carrying of a firearm that was on my record. The unlawful carrying of a firearm was a felony charge. Simple possession was a misdemeanor. The Coastal Carolina University, then I'm not sure about now, had the no tolerance policy or something of that nature, where even if you were convicted of a crime, the department or the criminal institution notified the university, and the university made a decision based on the information from the criminal justice system about what they wanted to do with that individual. Would they allow that individual to continue as a student, faculty, or staff, or would they remove themselves from that individual? So the university and the organization came together, the committee came together, saw fit to remove Melquam Shaw from the campus as a student permanently. And if I was ever caught on the campus or ever found strolling on the campus, I would be charged with trespassing, and they would make sure that I would be put behind bars and that this would continue to be a trend on my record. And they almost had the opportunity of a lifetime to do it to me. So do you know what it feels like when an organization or a university or the place that you've been taught your whole life to go get that hope from, like education is the tool? I don't think you really feel my pain. So today I decided that you was going to have to feel my pain in order to understand, so that you can overstand. I got to give it to you. I got to. Do you know what it felt like for your boy when the organization had a man that looked like me come and deliver the news to me? Do you know what it feels like for your homie, somebody that you see, somebody that looks like you, somebody that identifies as you, the same complexion, the same race, the same characteristics, everything so similar, and you look up to this person, and that person is the person that is the spokesperson of the university that person is the spokesperson of the university that gives me the message that you are no longer a student here at Coastal Carolina University. Do you know what that did to me? I really had to walk through the pits of hell because my life was now in a spiral. Not only did I have a criminal record, not only did I lost the connection with the university and the education, not only did I lost that, I was now a lost soul out there with nobody to depend on but me. And I couldn't really even depend on me because I was coming back from life support. Nobody never asked me, yo, why are you carrying this pistol? Not because I was carrying one just about my whole life, but nobody never said, yo, you had a traumatic experience that happened to you. You were on life support. You damn near died. And so we understand why you carry. We understand why you got some marijuana on you, whether you smoking or trying to sell it or not. It don't matter. We kind of get it. Nobody never asked me those questions though. And I don't fault anybody. I don't blame anybody. I don't even blame myself, but I take responsibility. So when I tell you I walk through the pits of hell and you see somebody that's resilient and you see somebody that embraced the word perseverance and you see somebody that's really about what they about, don't get in their way. Don't get in it. Don't try and knock them off, bruh. Don't try. Don't even think about it. The only thing that you can do is move or lend a helping hand if they decide to help your hand. Do you know what it feels like to be back on this campus as an academic coaching specialist helping students navigate this thing? Do you know what it feels like to be a professor in a university that saw fit to remove you? Do you know how that feels when everybody hear your name and they stop? Like when I walk in the room, bro, you already know what's happening. I fill that mug up. Everybody know it's me. I ain't got to say nothing when I'm in the room. I got that kind of power now. I got that power now. I got that power now. And with power comes great responsibility, bro. The art of war say appear weak even when you are strong. What you think I'm doing? I ain't no dummy. My mama ain't raised no dumb man. My mama ain't raised no dumb black man. I'm telling you, I'm going to get it. And I told you I walked through the pits of hell, bro, and now I'm back in the same place that took everything from me. You don't think I'm gonna give it all I got? I'm Melquan Shaw. I'm from the bottom of the bottom. I'm from the mud. I'm from Wheatie State Forest. I did that. I never knew I was from the forest until I realized I'm from the jungle. So I'm asking you, bro, when are you gonna wake up? When are you gonna realize that this is it, bro? Nobody can do this for you. You gotta go through the pits of hell if you want this. You gotta go through it. You gotta go through it. You gotta go through it, bro. You gotta